In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in HubSpot. This is a crucial security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring not only your password, but also a second form of verification, usually a code sent to your mobile device. So, if you're ready to ensure your account stays secure, let's get started. First, you're going to want to head over to HubSpot. Once you're logged in, navigate to the user guide. You can easily do this by following the link provided in the description. This guide will be your stepping stone as we configure your 2FA settings. After accessing the user guide, you'll find yourself in an overview of various options available to you as a user. Keep that page handy in case you need to refer back to it later on during the process. Next up, you'll want to click on Settings. This is generally located in the top right corner of the page. It's like the command center for your account, allowing you to manage not just basic information, but also advanced settings, including security features. Once you're in Settings, it's time to click on Security. You should find Security easily within the sidebar menu. This section is dedicated to options that will help shield your account from unauthorized access. Here, you can manage everything from login credentials to more sophisticated security measures. Now, let's get into the heart of today's task. Look for the option that mentions Require Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This is where you can toggle the setting on or off according to your preference. Clicking this option will either activate or deactivate the feature. If you're enabling it for the first time, you'll likely be prompted to set up your second factor of authentication, usually involving your phone or an authenticator app. When activating 2FA, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup process. This usually involves scanning a QR code with your authenticator app or receiving a text message with a verification code. Take your time at this step. Accuracy is essential for ensuring the security features are fully functional. Once you've successfully configured your two-factor authentication, it wouldn't hurt to test it by logging out and attempting to log back in to ensure every step has been executed correctly. With 2FA enabled, your HubSpot account is far more secure from potential threats, providing you with peace of mind. And there you have it. You now know how to turn on and off two-factor authentication in HubSpot. It's straightforward once you know how to navigate the settings, and implementing this small step can make a big difference in the safety of your online information. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below. Happy securing!